Hey everyone, welcome back to another training Vikings Vlog. Today is a very special day because we are celebrating Dada's birthday at Amazing Vikings birthday here at Robinson Place Antipolo. Dada give you a virtual tour of the buffet, showcasing everything from a sushi and restaurant to a delectable desserts. Without further delay, let's dive in and check out all the delicious foods has Vikings has to offer.
Ka na ng gano'n. Inisip ko ano kayo.
May kasalanan ito dito eh.
Patay.
May pa dito, pagkasa kayo.
Sorry. Alright. Hey! Palakpakan naman natin sa Ruel, birthday of the day! Happy na! Birthday ko! Happy na birthday mo pa! Happy na birthday mo pa! Happy na birthday mo pa! Birthday na Sir Ruel! Birthday na Sir Ruel! Birthday ni Sir Ruel! Ngayon! 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Sir Ruel, mag-wish ka muna bago mag-blow! Wish and blow!
Thank you for watching.
Happy birthday to you! Picture na tayo, ma'am. Okay lang.